Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called AI Hub, which is an world's first 20-in-1 chat GPT powered app suite that does everything: creating content, eye-catchy graphics, converting text to video, text to image, keyword to video, image, interviews, analogy maker, keyword extractor, ad copy, spreadsheet generator, and many more in just 2 minutes. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.